Hi guys, now we are looking at IBS, colitis, Crohn's disease problems in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows. So first is list of concoctions, next is diet plan with millets, next exercise, next what to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, so first of all, for the concoction, you have to take leaves, right? This is Indian beach. Okay, you have to take at least 3 to 4 leaves. Okay, to make concoction. Next is Senna auriculata leaves. Okay, leaf size is very small, so you have to take at least 10 to 12 leaves to make concoction. Castor oil leaves, see the leaf is quite big enough. Okay, uh, one big leaf is quite enough, or half of the leaf is enough to make concoction. Next is fenugreek leaves, take 20 leaves to make concoction. Next is organic banana stem. Okay, take only this portion, this much to this much, here to here. Okay, or if I say roughly 1 by 25th part or 1 by 20th part of the stem, that is sufficient to make concoction. So this is the planning for the concoction. First week you should have Indian beech leaves, second week cassia auriculata leaves, third week castor oil leaves, fourth week uh, fenugreek leaves, fifth week organic banana stem. Okay, there is no sixth week, that is a mistake. Okay, so fifth week only organic banana or organic banana stem. Try to get organic banana stem. Okay, if you didn't get the, if you don't get that, you can go proceed with organic banana. Okay, take one raw banana. Okay, take only half portion if it is small banana. Big banana, if you can take 1/4 or 1/8 portion of the banana. Okay, to make concoction, cut into pieces, 3 to 4 pieces. Okay, and how to make concoction we will be looking at the end of the presentation. Okay, the procedure is same for each and every leaf. Okay, if you do not find any one of the above, continue with the remaining concoctions. Let's say you don't get cassia auriculata leaves. Okay, then third week you have to jump into castor leaves. No, sorry, second week you have to jump into castor leaves, then fenugreek, then organic banana stem, and so on. Okay, after fifth week you should go back to first week. Okay, till when? Till you are completely out of the problem. Okay, till that you have to continue the concoctions. uh, Coming to the diet, foxtail millet for 3 days. Okay, 3 days means every meal you should have with foxtail millets only. Okay, you can have curries, no problem, but every meal, that means if you are taking 3 meals per day, all the 3 meals with foxtail millets only. If you are taking only 2 meals, those 2 meals with foxtail millets only, like that. Brown top millet for 3 days, barnyard for 1 day, kodo for 1 day, little millet for 1 day. So follow this 9-day schedule. Okay, alternately, and repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. Okay, food has to be taken in the form of porridge for the first 9 weeks. Okay, for the first 9 weeks you have to make millet porridge, and you have to eat it. Okay, so cooking millets essentially of two types, mainly of two types. Cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Cooking it like rice, add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on open top vessel or in a pressure cooker, but avoid pressure cooking if you have enough time to cook. Okay, pressure cooking is not that much good. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Tie the top using cotton cloth once it is cooled down, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and then have it. Okay. If it is summer, you can keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. Okay, that is sufficient for it to get fermented. Okay. Exercise is important thing. Okay, you shouldn't neglect this. uh, this is essential for healing also. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day. okay, and increase the walking time slowly day by day, okay. Slowly first get to achieve this 1 hour target and then increase that time week by week. What foods to avoid? Milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, honey, 100% pure honey, and dates. Okay, if you are not diabetic. Okay, uh, palm jaggery you can add it to the concoctions as well. If you are not able to drink them as it is. Okay, wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods. Now we will be looking at how to make concoction, and you have to drink that concoction early in the morning, that too on empty stomach. Okay, what does mean by empty stomach? What it is meant by empty stomach? You can have water if you want. Okay, let's say you woke up at 6 a.m. Have water of 1 liter. Okay, at 7 a.m. you can have concoction. If you drink 1.5 liter early in the morning at 6 a.m., wait for 1.5 hour. That is at 7:30 a.m. you can have your concoction like that. Let's see how to make concoction. Take 200 to 300 ml of water. Okay, let it get boiled up first. Okay, once it get boiled up, then you have to add leaves. Okay, Indian beech leaves. Yeah, it got boiled up, right? 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 depending upon the size of the leaf. Okay, take that color leaf, yellow color leaves, then it will be tasty. You need not require any uh, palm jaggery to consume. Okay, let it get boiled up for again 3 minutes. Okay, so it got boiled up. You have to keep it for again 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, then you have to filter it to have concoction. Okay, better to take tender leaves. Okay, yellow color. And also one more important thing is you have to boil the water in a very low flame. Okay, everything has to be done in low flame. Okay, just now it got boiled up. I am keeping it aside for 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes is over. Okay, we are now going to filter it out. Okay, oh, it's little bit hard. Okay, like this, using a filter. Okay, I suggest you to use a separate filter for this. Okay, not tea filter. Okay, yeah, that's it. You're almost done. Fine. Okay, now you can drink it. You can have it uh, using a spoon. Okay, preferably using a spoon. Okay, see how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.